peaceful scene, or a warning. Imagine a tranquil image. Two small birds resting on a fresh green branch, gentle rain falling around them. Beneath them lies a perfectly crafted nest, symbol of home, safety, and purpose. But inside, coiled in silence, is a snake. What was meant to be a cradle of life has become a place of hidden danger. And in this image lies a powerful metaphor for our careers. Sometimes, the workplace is a snake's nest. Many of us enter new jobs with hope. The company looks great on the surface. The onboarding feels smooth. Managers smile. The office coffee is good. But sometimes, beneath that welcoming exterior lies disarray, poor leadership, internal politics, or burnout culture. What you thought would protect your future might be what slowly poisons it. Just like the birds focus on guarding the outside of the nest, many professionals are hyper-aware of external threats, economic downturns, job market shifts, layoffs. But they often miss the internal ones. A toxic team dynamic, a manager who plays favorites, a culture that rewards silence over honesty. Psychology says danger isn't always loud. In psychology, there's a concept called inattentional blindness. We miss things in plain sight because we're too focused elsewhere. The birds don't see the snake because they're looking outward. Similarly, we ignore subtle signs of trouble at work because we're focused on keeping up, staying visible, or earning a promotion. Burnout, for instance, doesn't shout. It whispers until it roars. Philosophy reminds us, appearances deceive. The Stoic philosopher Epictetus taught, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. The challenge is in seeing what is truly happening, not just what is shown. Similarly, Confucius warned, signs and smiles are not always the same as virtue. In the workplace, friendliness can mask disorganization. Perks can hide the absence of a growth path. What does the snake symbolize in your career? The coiled snake isn't just danger. It's a symbol of misalignment and ignored truth. It represents accepting a job without asking hard questions, stagnating in a role with no growth, staying silent while toxicity spreads, trusting branding over behavior. Wisdom from the Bhagavad Gita. In the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna tells Arjuna, one must raise oneself by oneself. It's a call to self-awareness. Don't let the illusion of safety rob you of clarity. Being in a role that looks secure but slowly eats away your confidence or values is worse than facing external challenges. Signs there might be a snake in your nest. Red flags to watch out for. Leaders say one thing, do another. They promise mentorship, but ignore your ideas. Feedback is discouraged. Silence is rewarded more than contribution. You feel like you're shrinking. Your confidence and clarity decline instead of growing. There's no path ahead. You don't see how your efforts connect to a future promotion, impact, or evolution. The trap of false comfort. Philosopher Alan Watts once said, trying to define yourself is like trying to bite your own teeth. Many professionals get trapped in defining their value based on an environment that doesn't truly reflect their potential. The nest looks like home, but you're not growing. You're surviving. That's a snake's lullaby, comfort without growth. What to do if you spot the snake? Step 1. Confirm, don't assume. Be curious about your work environment. Ask colleagues about real culture, not just mission statements. Observe how teams behave under stress. Listen between the lines. Step 2. Choose clarity over comfort. If you find misalignment, act,